Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. On this video, we'll be talking about what will happen this week on ITHONGA Season 1. Monday, 7 April. Sanele's relationship with Ntanzi's raise alarm bells. Induna's rage ignites relentless search for Amahle. Tuesday, 8 April. Sanele accepts the dangerous proposition from his brother. Despite his mother's fight for his soul, the Dladla family's dignity hang in the balance because of Lungelo's actions. Wednesday, 9 April. Makumalo witnesses something that fills her with violent anger. The nose around Temba's neck tightened even more as Induna and Councillor men deliberately on his family fate. Thursday, 10 April. Sanele's presence looms stronger over Sanele, blurring the line between the living and the dead. A strained love and an unexpected encounter set the stage for choices that will change everything. Friday, 11 April. The brothers have a supernatural shutdown. The Dladlas are at the crossroad. Thank you very much for watching. That was all for now. Until we meet in my next video.